I'm creating a One Piece football league. 2 conferences, probably. 8 teams, and I'm revealing the first team name and logo in this video. And I'll reveal the second team name at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Before the teams, we need to build an identity for the league itself. This is an actual challenge. It has to encapsulate the entire league and hint at the sport itself. My brain immediately went to the American style football and the steering wheel of a pirate ship and the different ways I can make that look for a logo. My sketches gave me concept ideas to play with heading into Adobe Illustrator. In Illustrator, I started with the simple shape of a circle and then adjusted the anchor points to create the American football shape. The main thing going on in my head is how to visually combine the football and the steering wheel in a way that works. So the 3 main elements are the football, the circle, and the spokes in the wheel. When creating a football, all you need is the general shape and the lace marks in the middle. Everything else is up to your personal style choice. The combination of the shapes overlaid on top of each other made something that I really like. It's funny that the 2 spokes that cross in the middle overlap the circle and mimic crossbones. With the shape solidified, it was time to add color and text. I knew I wanted the sea color surrounding the football, but with the middle slices above and below, I thought it'd be cool to add a little red in there to reference the red line on the One Piece map. The result of my work is a logo that I'm very satisfied with because it can be interpreted a few different ways. The big ship steering wheel, the One Piece global map, the football, the red line, the grand line. This pleases me. And now, the first team in the league, and this should come as no surprise, the East Blue Straw Hats. Luffy was born on Dawn Island, which is in the East Blue, so of course that's where the East Blue comes from. And then Straw Hats, who else was it gonna be? Of course Monkey D. Luffy is gonna be the mascot for the first franchise in this league. So I illustrated him in a slightly simplified version with the iconic hat, the crossbones in the background. That on a black helmet just seems right. There will be more in the coming weeks, so make sure you subscribe and share this with all your friends. If you have an idea for a team name that I could pull from One Piece lore and make a part of this league, let me know in the comment section down below. Oh, and speaking of team names, here's the second one. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and set sail on some One Piece related content right here.